Hey guys, we're here today to ditch those tips and install a new exhaust. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. But first, does it pass? Unfortunately not. It's only 4" and it gets tapered right there. But you know what? This is gonna sound great. This is the Rev9 Catback exhaust, and it is one of, if not the cheapest name brand catback exhaust that I found out there. It was dirt cheap. I'll probably link it in the description so more people can buy it because it seems fantastic. I've had some people who have got it and put it on their car, and I think it sounds great. Now, you might be asking, why'd you go for the Rev9? Because it's the cheapest? Well, yes. And it is actually a 2.5" catback exhaust, not a full 3", so it's not gonna be as loud. There's no muffler, and you're also not really gonna get much power from a catback on this GTI. The power from the exhaust comes from the downpipe, so we're gonna go good on that one. So this is just, wanna make sure it sounds good. I'm really excited for this. So let's get the car jacked up. Let's get this new exhaust installed. All right, going underneath the exhaust should be pretty straightforward. Couple of hangers there. This red one right here. That one on the muffler. Then 2 down the way, down that way. That clamp is gonna be fun because the bolts are facing up and they're a little rusted. So hopefully we can get that good with no problem. We're gonna try to lower it, see if we can get up top. So we're gonna start by taking off the 2 hangers at the rear. All right, first. Gosh darn it. A screwdriver to this guy over here. There we go. Bend that up out of the way. Oh, dust in the face. Dust in the face. All right, deeper in we go. All right, and these 2. Oh, that was already much easier. All right. There we go. Oh, hello you. All right, don't let these bolts do too much. All right. Bolt. Goodbye. Sorry, my knee was blocking. There we go. Okay. So this up here is a little bit of what I've been dreading. Can't really see it, but my clamp is not doing so hot. So we're hoping we can get it out somehow. I may end up removing the bracket that's keeping it up right now, just to get a little bit more access, but we'll see what we can do. Sorry for the poor audio, everyone. I was time-lapsing and then I got it, and now I'm in a position where I really cannot get the app stuck.
You're stuck?
Baby. There it is. Oh my goodness. By a miracle of the Lord Jesus Christ, we got it. All right, now to finagle over the exhaust and under the car.
I don't think you should do that. Okay, keep going.
Oh no, it's completely off.
Oh, I know, but I don't know if you're gonna fit.
You calling me big?
No one calling the exhaust big.
Oh, this is gonna be so much easier going back in. You're right, this is awkward. Ta-da!
It wasn't focused on your face.
That's okay, because
Wait, what are you replacing?
this whole thing,
That whole thing?
this whole thing.
Wow.
Got it.
Any words for your captive audience?
I'm tired.
Are you gonna do it today?
Yeah.
Oh, your nose
That
is
was a purposeful missed pun.
your nose is bleeding.
It is?
Yeah, look.
Oh, because I hit it on the car.
Okay, let me zoom in so everyone can see your captive. Look that way.
Model status.
People, it's kind of zoomed in there. Okay, there you go. Oh no. Cutie. Okay, I'm gonna cut. Oh, what?
Get this.
Okay. Hold on.
Out. It's out.
Wow, it's so long.
I know, it's heavy too.
Okay, well.
There's that rusted thing at the bottom that fell off. Just see it.
Oh. That's cool. Okay, have fun. I'm going to go watch my Survivor.
Oh, there it is. That is 37 pounds of exhaust out. Now I weighed the new Rev9. Came in at 18 pounds. It's not all of it. There's some way over there, off in the distance. But that is a near 20-pound weight saving, which you take 20 pounds here, 20 pounds there, it adds up fast. So I am happy that this is out. No more stock exhaust for you, Elsa. You better be happy. Oh, what am I leaning on? Oh. All right. This is the fun part. Sorry for all the stuff I'm hitting. Oh. Oh, do I have to use the other one to clamp it down? I might have to. Oh, this will be fun. I just got you off and now I'm gonna put you back on. All right. Sorry, new exhaust clamp. Your time has already come. Sorry, bud. All right, and then you actually get turned the other way, so now. I mean, I guess it'll hold, right? Yeah. Please line up properly. There we go. All right. And then you get this one. Oh, all right, let's try you on this one. Do you want to cooperate? not at all even. But that's okay. I think it's pretty good. Oh, okay. Let's take it out on the road, see how it sounds.